to my channel. I'm Becky, and if you're new here then welcome, and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. We are going to be making some boo baskets in this video. Now this is specifically aimed at younger children and toddlers. I'm making this for my nephew and he's around like 2 or 3 years old, so this is going to be perfect for any younger kids. But obviously this can be made for anyone of any age. It just depends what you're going to buy to put in it. So without further ado, grab yourself a drink and let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so I've tilted the camera down so hopefully you can see. Now as I say, I'm making this for a 2 or 3 year old, but it can be made for someone of any age. You can get really nice hampers from like the Works or B&M or even One Beyond, and they can range from £2 to £4, so you can still make this on a budget. Everything I got here I think came to about £8.50, which I thought was really good value for money for the amount of stuff that I've got, and I just know it's going to make his day. So to get in with it, you're going to want to start with your base. So as I said, you can get any hamper, but I got this lovely little pumpkin and it's like a little trick-or-treat bucket. Now I think this was £1 or £1.25, and I'm not sure if One Beyond has a website, but if they do, I will make sure to link everything below for you. So that's going to form my base, and then he can use this trick-or-treating, and it's just a lovely little kind of display to put everything in. Sorry if I looked a bit confused. I thought my phone was ringing and that just really confused me. But back to the actual boo basket making. So I got this as the base, and then he is really into colouring and anything to do with that, and stickers. Oh my god, he loves putting stickers everywhere. And they had a really good selection of items in One Beyond. So I've got my receipts here so I can tell you how much everything was. Now this colouring book has 48 pages and it was £1, and I just thought this was absolutely fantastic, and they're really easy little designs, so it's suitable for a range of children. I don't know if it actually says what ages it's suitable for, but it doesn't really matter because they can colour in the lines, they can colour out the lines. And I just thought for the amount of different designs that you get in it for £1, that was just really good value for money. I'll show you some of the designs up close so you can kind of see what's in it. So I picked that up for him, and I'm just going to sit that in the back of the basket to make like a really nice backdrop. Now to go with the theme of colouring, I did get him these stickers, and this is a multi-pack of Halloween stickers, and what's really great is they're all different. So you've got some like puffy stickers, and you know, like the ones that are a little raised. I don't really know how to describe them. We've got some shiny stickers, and then just some plain Halloween stickers as well. Now these were also £1, so I think pretty much everything here was £1, which is what's really good about One Beyond, because Poundland and the pound shops these days, you can't really find anything for £1, but when you do go to One Beyond, they do stick to that and they have some really good deals, so I definitely recommend going. And they've got some lovely like natural like decor for your house as well, and storage baskets. So if you are doing some crafting or you're putting together something like this, definitely have a look there. So I picked up those. I'll show you what they look like up close so you can kind of see what's included in them. So far we've got all these to go in it, and that's only £3. And then I've also got him this 10-pack of mini character stamps. Again, these are Halloween themed, and these were also £1. And for 10 different stamps, and obviously they're all like pre-inked as well, so you don't need an ink pad. They've all got little themed lids on them as well, so they won't dry out. And I just thought they're going to be fantastic. And then he can do that in his like colouring book as well, so if he doesn't want to colour, he can just absolutely hammer away with stamping. And for £1 for 10, I just thought that's an absolute no-brainer. I couldn't actually believe how cheap all these items were. I'll show you up close what they look like. Now they've all like got the different shapes on them. So there's a pumpkin, there's a little like gravestone, a witch's hat, one that says boo. So you've got such a variety here, and I just thought they were fantastic. Oh, in fact, it even says on the back, fantastic Halloween crafts, so they must know. But I'll show you what these look like. Also, if I seem just kind of a bit of a here, there and everywhere today, it's because we had a delivery guy come at 6 or 10 past 6 this morning. Now, I normally get up that time for work anyway, but it's a Saturday, I wanted to sleep in, and honestly, when we heard that they were here, I was just like, what on earth is going on? I'm pretty sure that's illegal because you're not allowed to start building works till after 7. So I have had a lot of coffee this morning to try and wake myself up. So if that comes across in the video, sorry guys. Moving on anyway, we also picked up this flashing LED snap band. So this is obviously something that can go on your wrist. I used to love these as a kid, and if you press it, it lights up as well. I'll show you what it looks like up close. Now I just thought this was really great for him to wear with these little like Halloween outfits. If they do go trick-or-treating, they can obviously take his little bucket with him. He can have this on and have it flashing so it stands out if it's dark. I just thought, again, for £1, that was a really good little thing that they had in there. They had loads of different designs as well. So I think they had a pumpkin one, but because I'd already got quite a few pumpkin items, I wanted to mix it up a bit. So I got in this little like skeleton. And then I also picked up these Choco Lollies. Now these come in different like designs. I don't know whether the chocolate is actually shaped like the designs as well. And then there is like a little colouring pattern on the back. These were £1 for 6. Now what I am going to do is take them out of this wrapping because I'm going to stick them in individually. But I just thought these were really nice little things. If you want to have a little chocolate snack, or if mum and dad want a little chocolate snack, they can all have one. And it's just like a little filler to put in for him. And you know, little kids, they just get excited by all this stuff. And the designs on them are really cool as well. So again, these were all still from One Beyond, and they're gonna just act as really nice fillers for the basket. Get rid of this wrapping. And then carrying on with the sweet theme, I picked up a range of Halloween themed sweets from B&M. These will actually be in my like new food, Halloween food haul. That video will be going live, I think, at some time after this one. But these were £1.25 and these were £1, and they had a range of sweets as well. So I did also get some like eyeballs and some like tarantulas and bones. And what I've done is I've just put them in a little sweet bag for him, so he can kind of have that as like a little pick and mix, because I didn't just want to put a whole bag in because his mum and dad would have killed me. They would have been like, you cannot have this much sugar. So instead, I just put him in a little bag, and then they can kind of decide how much he gets and when. Which again is just a really nice like filler. And then I also have, I saw these, I can't remember where I got these from actually, but they're little like Mickey Mouse ollies, and they're orange and yellow, so I thought they're quite Halloween-y themed colours. I really liked them, and again, it just is something to fill out the basket. And then finally, this was £2. This was from Asda Living, and it's something that he can just play with. He can take out with him if they go trick-or-treating, because like I say, it does light up. I'll show you what it looks like up close. Now it's also got quite a long strap on it, so he can wear it around his neck. He's not going to lose it. And I just saw that, and I thought that was really good value for money, because I have seen some slightly bigger ones in Morrison's, I think, and I swear they were £6. So when I saw this was £2, I just thought, you know what, I'm going to have to get in this. And again, let me just put this back in so the battery doesn't die. They had a load of different designs in this. I think there was also like a skeleton and a Dracula one, but I just decided to get the pumpkin so it matches his little basket when he is going out. So all this came to around about £8.50, like I said, and I just thought that was really good value for money. And when you are going to just stick it all in and bulk it out, you can make a really nice little basket. I'll show you how this kind of comes together. Put all this in here. Like this. Now you can put some like tissue paper at the bottom so it fills it to the top, but I just know as soon as he sees this he's going to be absolutely in awe, and there's so many things he can do as well. So if they are coming to a Halloween party and they want to keep him busy while they're like talking to friends and family, they can sit him down with the colouring book and the stickers and he can just get on with it. So this was a really quick video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did like it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and while you're down there, hit the subscribe button also. If you've made it to this part of the video, comment down below the little pumpkin emoji in the theme of today's video, and I hope to catch you at the next one. Thanks guys, bye!